Welcome back. Here with us on Times Now. US President Donald Trump's ping-pong on his role in India-Pak ceasefire understanding continues. A day after distancing himself from the truce, the US President is now back to taking full credit, claiming that it was him who diffused Indo-Pak tensions. As per US President Donald Trump, he deserves the Nobel Peace Prize for multiple peace efforts, including his involvement in stopping the war between India and Pakistan. While listing a series of key diplomatic peace outcomes that he claimed to have brokered, he said he won't get a Nobel Peace Prize no matter what he does. Nearly a year after sinking off Sicily, the British flagged super yacht has partially resurfaced. The storm last August killed 7, including a tech entrepreneur from the UK. Crews have begun the final phase of salvage, with the yacht's top and hull now visible above water. 5 years after Beijing imposed its national security law, Hong Kong marked the anniversary with a high-profile event attended by top Chinese officials and featuring patriotic performances by school children. Singapore PM will visit China from June 22nd to 26, his first official trip since taking office. He aims to deepen ties with Chinese leaders as both countries mark 35 years of diplomatic relations. Tensions flared once again in the South China Sea, with China's Coast Guard claiming it expelled a Philippine vessel from what it calls its territorial waters. The China Coast Guard released footage showing its ship surrounding the Philippine vessel and using water cannons in what it described as a professional and unlawful operation. New Zealand Prime Minister Christopher Luxon wrapped up his first official visit to China with the launch of a major tourism campaign in Beijing. The initiative, led by Tourism New Zealand, aims to deepen travel and aviation ties between both the countries. In a dramatic turn in a long-running case, Barry Morphew, the husband of Colorado woman Suzanne Morphew, has been re-arrested on a first-degree murder charge more than 3 years after prosecutors first dropped the case. Morphew was taken into custody in Arizona following a new indictment by Colorado grand jury. China's National Weather Authority has renewed an orange alert for heavy rainfall as southern regions face severe downpour, causing floods and transportation disruptions. In Hunan province, rising waters have led to reservoir overflowing with mass evacuation. Neeraj Chopra has bagged his first Diamond League title in 2 years, upstaging Germany's Julian Weber. The Indian javelin superstar's first throw of 88.16 meters saw him win the title.